Here's a review of the HP 17.3 touchscreen laptop, 17.3, Intel Core Ultra 7255U, 64GB DDR5, 2TB SSD, Windows 11 Pro, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, Intel built-in AI, 12 tops, Copilot key, backlit keyboard, HD camera, accessories that I've researched thoroughly across the internet so you can decide if it's genuinely worth it. Click the link in bio for details and pricing. First off, the processor. The Intel Core Ultra 7255U processor, 12-core, is legitimately listed in HP's 17 laptop series spec sheet. It supports up to approximately 5.2 GHz turbo boost. Being a U series chip, it's designed for efficiency, yet the 12 cores and accompanying AI NPU give it a strong foundation for productivity, multitasking, streaming, light content creation and modern workflows involving AI. According to Intel's spec, this CPU supports integrated graphics and built-in AI processing, 12 tops, for on-device AI acceleration. Next, memory and storage. You mentioned 64GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2TB SSD. This is a high-end spec for a 17.3 laptop, and while I did not find a public spec sheet with exactly that combination in the listing I found, the series supports configurations up to 1TB and high RAM options. If you do indeed get 64GB RAM and 2TB SSD, that means this machine is nicely future-proofed. Lots of memory headroom for multi-window workflows, large datasets, virtual machines or multitasking, plus plenty of storage for programs, media and projects. Display and usability. The 17.3 touchscreen panel is listed in HP's spec sheet for the 17-inch laptop series. For example, one listing shows 17.3 inches HD plus 1600x900 anti-glare touchscreen with 250 nits brightness for the 17 inches series. Another listing of a similar model shows 17.3 inches FHD, 1920x1080, 300 nits variant. The large size gives you generous screen real estate, which is ideal for multitasking, business use or student work where multiple windows, documents or datasets are open. Features and connectivity. This machine ticks many modern boxes. You have Wi-Fi 6 support, modern wireless standard, Bluetooth 5.4 listed in your description, though I did not confirm exactly 5.4 in HP's spec sheet, an AI NPU, as HP describes, Intel AI Boost, built-in NPU, for models with the Ultra 7255U. The Copilot key is referenced in HP series, Copilot key, mention. The backlit keyboard, numeric keypad, likely given 17.3 size, HD camera with AI noise reduction are also noted in some listings for the series. In practical use, you should expect this laptop to deliver very strong performance for business, student or all-round workflows. You'll be comfortable running many browser tabs, office suites, streaming, multitasking between apps, editing large spreadsheets, maybe even moderate creative tasks. The large screen helps productivity, less switching around, and the memory, storage combination, assuming the 64GB, 2TB spec is accurate, gives you plenty of headspace and storage for years ahead. The iNPU and Copilot key give a more modern, smart experience for things like meeting note-taking, voice commands or AI-enabled features. So, is this HP 17.3 touchscreen laptop worth buying? After my thorough research, yes, if you are a user who values a large screen plus very strong memory, storage plus a modern CPU with AI features plus business, student flexibility. If you'll take advantage of the 64GB RAM and 2TB SSD, assuming verified, and you will primarily use it for productivity, content, multi-window, large data workflows, then this machine offers excellent value. But if your priorities are ultra-light portability, ultra-high screen resolution, QHD, 4K, dedicated GPU for heavy graphics, gaming, or you carry your laptop daily long distances, then you may want to compare other form factors or higher spec screens. Click the link below for the best price.